Sheldon? What are you doing?
It's a Morse code,
Why?
so we can communicate through the wall.
We are communicating through the wall.
Yes, but the communication is not encrypted.
I don't know Morse code.
Well, it's very simple. This is A. This is B. This is C.
Sheldon, I'm not going to learn Morse code at 3 o'clock in the morning.
All right.
Don't come in here. Don't come in here. Don't come in here. Don't. Oh! What's going on?
Ramona's sleeping on the couch.
I know. When is she going home?
Never. That's the problem. I need your help.
What are you talking about?